Drawing a diagram is the most common problem-solving strategy. The diagram represents the problem in a way we can see it, understand it, and think about it while looking for the next step. This approach allows the problem to be visualized, and often a problem solver needs to create a visual representation to understand the problem's meaning.
Ang problem is a frog fell down on a bank of well which was 21 meters deep. The frog found it difficult to jump up the mud-coated walls. It started its long jump up the well at 6 a.m. It took it 15 minutes to jump 3 meters because the walls were so slippery. At the end of the every 15 minutes period, it rested for 5 minutes. While it suddenly slid down 1 meter, it continued on the same rate. At what time did it finally reach the top of the well?
It took it 15 minutes to jump at 3 meters. So we can say 0.
Example of common problem-solving strategies. Scenario: MJ stood on the middle of ladder. She climbed up 5 rungs, moved down 2 rungs, and then climbed up 7 rungs. Then she climbed up the remaining 2 rungs to the top of a ladder. How many rungs are there in the whole ladder? We will make a diagram better to understand MJ's movement in the ladder. It says that MJ stand at the middle and climb 5 rungs. This is the starting point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When she reached there, she moved 2 rungs down. 1, 2. After reaching there, she climbs up 7 rungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And add 2 more rungs up to reach the top of the ladder. So 1, 1, 2. In studying this diagram, we have already ideas of answers to these questions. Number 1, how many rungs from middle to top? To answer this question, you just count these rungs from where MJ stood up to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it says 12. Number 2. How many rungs from middle to bottom? From the word middle, it's understandable and is self-explanatory that if what is the figure from middle to top is equal to middle to the bottom also. So it's 12. It is also 12. Number 3, how many rungs total? You will just add those rungs in the diagram from bottom. You will add 12 here plus and top. This one plus 12 plus the middle rung itself. This one plus 1. So 12 plus 12 plus 1 is equal to 25 rungs.